In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a sub-account on GoHighLevel. So onto this part, I'm actually currently on the GoHighLevel website. You can go to there by going to GoHighLevel.com. Now, as you can see right here, you have two options. You can either log in or sign up to their account. So into this, you can log in if you already have an account or sign up if you don't have one yet. So since I already have an account, let me head over and log in. But if you do not have one yet, you can just click on this and then follow the on-screen instructions. So in here, you should be able to see your launchpad or your dashboard once you have successfully signed up. Now into this part, what we can do is we can head over to our agency view. You can click right here into your account, switch to agency view, and from in there, they should be able to show you in here your agency launchpad. Into this part, what we can do is we can head over and create a sub account. Head over right here to the sub accounts option. And then in here, this will direct you to the app.gohighlevel.com/accounts. And in here, you can see this. Currently, I have in here this sub account. So let's head over and create a new one. Click onto this button right here. You can choose from your snapshot templates, from your imported snapshots, and the likes. So in my case, let me head over and then choose in here this. Click onto this select and continue. And then in there, you can actually search for something and input your location. Let me head over and add in here my location. You can pinpoint it to your maps right there, or you can also add it manually from this. Just head over and click on your business. And then from in there, input right here your details. And after that, you can proceed to click on this add sub account option in order to add it all together. So that's how you create a sub account on GoHighLevel. Hope we helped.